It's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. You are Republic, and we are your voice. Tonight, we will be your voice once again in this fight for justice for Sushant. Let's debate.
I want CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput.
CBI for SSR.
We want justice for Sushant.
We all want justice for Sushant Singh Rajput.
His family should get the justice.
CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput.
Hashtag CBI for SSR.
We want CBI for Sushant.
CBI for Sushant.
CBI for SSR.
CBI for Sushant Rajput Singh.
The Mumbai police must be asked now 10 questions. Why didn't you act when Sushant's family warned you? 2, why are you asking the public to give you leads on Disha's murder when till now you told the whole world it was a suicide? When you tried to wrap it up, Mumbai police. 3, why did you issue a communication that Sushant had committed suicide? How could you, when there was no proof, leave alone a suicide note? How could you, Mumbai police? 4, why did you never question the contradictions in the statements of Siddharth Pitani and Sandeep Singh when the whole world saw them clearly? Why did you block the Bihar police when they landed up to investigate and lock them up? I have Gupteshwar Pandey, DGP of Bihar, right now on the program. You heard the friend there, Mr. Gupteshwar Pandey. The friend who spoke to Sushant right before his death is on record saying both of them were murdered. Sushant knew that Disha was murdered. There is more than meets the eye. And Sushant told his friend after Disha died, do you remember the Jia Khan case? And I do remember the Jia Khan case. And Sushant told his friend that that is exactly what happened to Disha, was exactly what happened to Jia. And you know exactly what happened to Jia. And there was a case of Jia's death which was closed, and he also said here that he was about to speak to the media, and Sushant told Sandeep everything. Sandeep Singh. Sushant told Sandeep about what had happened to Disha. Sushant confided something in Sandeep. He mentioned Sandeep 50 times in the conversation. So if somebody knew what had happened to Disha, Sushant had shared what had happened to Disha with somebody, it is Sandeep Singh. Now, very interestingly, Gupteshwarji, right after Sushant is killed, the first person, Ujjwal Nigam, the first person who suddenly lands up in the building and says, I am the best friend of Sushant, is the same Sandeep Singh. The man just takes over the house. He goes to the ambulance, takes the body. He's also the same person, Gupteshwar Pandey, as per the conversation out there. He's the same person who Sushant told about Disha's murder. After Sushant dies, this man suddenly turns up to decide where the body should go, how to take the body, which ambulance to come in, and nobody here knows Sandeep Singh. But Sandeep Singh knows the truth and also lands up immediately when the news comes out that Sushant is dead. Gupteshwar Pandey, DGP of Bihar, what's happening here? Can I get your first reaction to all this information coming now? Gupteshwar Pandey, please.
I don't know, I'm telling you, I really salute you. I didn't know this much. For the first time, I am knowing this.
I'm sharing this with our investigating team, has just found out.
I'm getting myself depressed. Yes, I'm telling you, Arnav, I am getting myself depressed. What is happening? The second day after the case of this incident, the next very day I called up the police commissioner of Mumbai. He didn't pick up the call. Then I sent him a message introducing myself that I am Gupteshwar Pandey, DGP Bihar. I want to speak to you regarding this suicide case of Sushant. But he didn't respond to my message also, and he has not responded. He has not called back to me till date. Then yesterday I wanted to contact the DGP also. Several times I tried his number. I left messages also, but he also didn't respond. And my additional chief secretary home of Bihar, he wanted to contact and talk to his counterpart in Maharashtra. Despite of his best
Have you
effort, he
got
couldn't
the
contact me.
provisional
He was
certificate?
not responding
Have
to
you
his
got the
call.
provisional death
Now,
certificate of
after-
Disha Salian? Have you got it? I can give it to you. It mentions.
No, I don't have. But what I am hearing, I just now for the first time, I am telling her now, there has to be a deep link between these two cases.
Absolutely.
The suspected
PR managers of Riya Chakrabarti, the Maharashtra government, the Mumbai police today, Ketan, I want all of these people to see the 9-page statement by Sushant Singh Rajput's family, which I have here. Shame on all of you who are still supporting what the Maharashtra government and the Mumbai police is doing. Shame on all of you, Ketan, who are still supporting the attack by the NCP, the relentless and brutal abuse by the Shiv Sena. Shame on all of you for not having the courage to speak up when the whole country is saying CBI for SSR. How many voices will you drown? How many voices? Surendra Chauhan, let me start with you if you come on the debate with Amit Satam tonight. The NCP insults Sushant. It's an open, now everything. It's absolutely clear. There is nothing to hide anymore. They are openly attacking now. Now it's out in the open. How many voices will you drown? How many voices? Surendra Chauhan, let me start with you if you come on the debate with Amit Satam tonight. The NCP insults Sushant. It's an open, now everything. It's absolutely clear. There is nothing to hide anymore. They are openly attacking now. Now it's out in the open. Open, consistent, deliberate, crude attack on Sushant and his family by the Maharashtra government. We don't trust this government anymore. You abuse him in the daytime and in the night you say we will bring justice to him, Amit Satam. They abuse him in the daytime, they attack the family, and at night they say, they go before the Supreme Court and they say, we will give you justice for Sushant. Amit Satam is opening the debate tonight with Surendra Chauhan. This level of insult has been gone on for too far.
Absolutely depressing, disheartening, and disgusting to note the kind of allegations that have been made not only against Sushant Singh Rajput, but also against Sushant Singh Rajput's family.
Not by Mr. Rane, who claims there was a rape and all that stuff. It's very, very sad. And this, I still say it could be a suicide, an abetment to suicide, but we will know for sure by the police, finally, by the CBI, what really happened.
I don't care for your views on what it is. I want to ask you whether why all of Bollywood is silent, and this is the question I have. I want to ask, quote unquote, Bollywood.
I can't.
What has happened to you?
I'm not responsible.
What has happened to you? Sushant Singh Rajput's family is being brutally attacked by the Maharashtra government. Are you so scared of the Maharashtra government, the biggies of Bollywood? Are you so scared? Are you so lily-livered? Are you such cowards that even now you won't speak?
I'm not scared. I'm deep.
बगैर पैसे लगाए इनका फेम नहीं चलता है, अपना खेल भलता है, ऑर्गेनिक पे ही चलता है, ना लगाता पैसा में किसी को बताना जरूरत कुछ नहीं।